not often at the moment that Simon is in front of the camera because he's working so much. But yeah, sometimes he can't hide. He has to do it. Go outside to him and see what he has done. What have you done?
Just to clean outside. I've done all the checker plates. The rims clean.
Wow, looks like new.
Yep.
So what's happening?
Oh, we sold the van.
He sold the van.
Our home. One more week and we are homeless.
It is not exciting, but
no, it's not, but that's the way we have to go, because the buyer wants it earlier than we expected.
Yeah, for Easter actually.
Yeah, and next week is pickup day, and that's why it's my last weekend, so I have to clean up the van. So I bought yesterday some stackable storage boxes, so we can put our stuff in what we need in the new van, but we don't need it in the cabin because there's everything inside. So cutlery, all the other stuff, only some work shirts.
Yeah, all the stuff that we have stored in our current caravan and we don't need in the cabin. Like, you know, when you book a cabin, everything is there. You just need your clothes and your groceries. Nothing else. Yeah. So we store everything in the storage boxes and put it in the corners. Hopefully we have enough corners in the cabin. I think
I checked up already, but I think it's enough space for it. It's not that much what we have.
It's not a large cabin, but it should be fine because it has at least the size of the current caravan.
I think it's another 3 months of wait for the new one. So we have a countdown running. So today we have 92 days
91 days.
Oh, 91 days.
91 days.
Sorry. See? I can't catch up anymore.
91 days left.
91
well, that
days.
is our estimate.
Estimated,
we don't know the
maybe it's going
exact
earlier.
Pickup date, but it's our estimate.
Yeah. We're so excited.
Given from the factory, so exciting, as you can see, as you can tell. So once we have cleaned out the caravan from our personal stuff, I will have 2 days to clean it properly before the buyer comes and picks it up, which will be around the 22nd. So yeah, pretty exciting.
Yep. We're not saying yet what we get. We'll make another video. If
you have watched one of our last videos, you might have a guess, but we are excited. We are excited. And the most exciting part is we have a little bit more space in the new caravan. That's why we actually ordered a new one. Anyway,
it's a little bit better battery system we have in the moment. We have 200 amperes AGM battery, 250 watt solar. What actually was for our off-grid stay was pretty much enough.
Yeah, because we have the generator with us.
We had the generator just in case for us.
If we had to run when we had to run the air conditioner or charge laptop, stuff like that, we turned the generator on wherever we stayed. If we didn't have any.
Not very often.
No.
So no. The most time we runs on 12 volt.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
So yeah, the setup was very nice for what we did so far. Yeah. But we have bigger plans.
Yeah.
And that's why we need a little bit more comfortable setup, I would say. Comfortable. Not bigger, not better, but more comfortable for us.
Oh, it's better. It's better.
Yeah, of course. But it's more comfortable for us to give us some peace of mind when we do what we want to do. Anyway, enough talking about that one.
Yeah.
You keep cleaning?
Yep. Now I'm nearly done today.
Oh, you done? Okay, so we have
beer clock time.
Beer clock time. How late is it?
Yep.
It is 3 o'clock already, past 3. Okay.
Past 3.
Yeah, beer clock time. All right.
And it's pretty hot today, so that's.
Yeah, but the wind is nice.
Yeah.
Daddy had his walk to the beach already. He's pretty much flat out anyway. So yeah, Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yep. Someone is getting ready to move out. Your turn today, my turn tomorrow. Ooh. Hey. How many days to go?
One more sleep in Bushy.
One more sleep in Bushy and 84 days.
You won.
Hopefully. Here's hope, hey? So we have to say goodbye to Bushy after more than 3 years. Enjoying him, living in it for 14 months. It is now time to move on and look for new adventures. Bushy is going to a new home. The new owners are coming tomorrow to pick him up. Handover is planned for tomorrow, and everything is clean, everything is nice and tidy. We've cleaned them up, looks like new, don't you think? So that's it. Bye bye Bushy. Hello Bushy too. So it looks like we just moved into the cabin in time, because imagine moving the stuff from the caravan on the other side of the caravan park here to the cabin in this weather. Nah, not inviting. So we moved into the cabin officially on Monday and Tuesday, so we got the keys on Monday, and today is Thursday. No, today is Friday. Actually, I have to say I moved the stuff into the cabin pretty much by myself because Simon had to work. It took me 4 runs with our car, putting all the stuff just in the back and having the car fridge still in the back. We didn't remove the car fridge. I just put everything in the car in all the corners I had. And of course, every time I went, this guy here wanted to come with me, so his back seat was reserved for him. And now we are living in a 2-people cabin. This bed is super comfortable. I sleep like a little angel. It is unbelievable. The bed in the caravan wasn't bad, but this one is even better. And we have to try to organize ourselves a little bit more. I have to go through all the boxes and everything and sort out what we don't need anymore. There is too much stuff happening. This is the bathroom. Even here I have to go through stuff. Hello. The cabin is not a used one. They are all old cabins here in the caravan park, but it doesn't matter. It's good for what we need, just a roof above the head and somewhere to sleep, and not too bad actually. We will see what's what's happening in the next 4 weeks, because Easter's coming up and they are fully booked for Easter, though they don't know yet if they can give us this cabin or another cabin over Easter, or if we have to pack up completely and leave, which would mean that we go to our son's place for a few weeks until we have the new caravan. But for the next 4 weeks we are sorted, and Simon keeps working here, and yeah, that is us for the time being until just before Easter, and then we will see. I'm running around here with long clothes, as you can see, long sleeves, long pair of jeans, warm socks, because it is quite cold here at the moment. We had a temperature drop from 30 degrees a few days ago to, what's today, 21 degrees, and when it's raining it is feeling cold and uncomfortable. But yeah, anyway, yeah, something different. Very interesting experience, I must say, but we are still excited because we know it's not forever, it is just temporarily. And we got an email yesterday from the Caravan factory letting us know that the handover is planned for end of April, early May, which means at the moment it sounds like it will be at least 2 weeks earlier than we have expected the new van. So with our personal countdown, we are today down to 79 days, and since the factory told us end of April, early May, so let's say we getting the Caravan early May, means it can be anything between 65 and 70 days, even less maybe. And since the time is running so fast anyway, there will be no time and we sit in our new caravan. So yeah, exciting, can't wait. I know, I repeat myself, Simon is the same. Every day, a couple of times at least, we tell each other how many days are left. Sounds crazy, but it is what it is. Yeah, alright, so I'll keep working here a little bit on some customer orders, and Simon is renovating one of the cabins here in the Caravan Park, because that's what he's doing here. That's what his job is here. So yeah, talk to you later. Stay tuned and check in at our channel here and then to stay updated with the news, and see us picking up the caravan soon, hopefully. Bye bye, have a good day.